Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare carrot kheer. It is healthy and tasty too. I took 5 carrots, roughly chopped it and added glass of water. Now we will boil it in pressure cooker. Carrot is rich in vitamin A. It's good for eye. Now it is boiled. It became soft. Keep it aside till it become cool. Now it is cool. We will grind it with this water. Now it became nice paste. Take vessel. Pour it to vessel and keep for boiling. Boil it for 3 minutes. Add half glass of water. Stir it. We need 4 to 5 cardamom. Make it fine powder. Add a cup of sugar, approximately 100 grams of sugar, and stir it properly. Boil it for 2 minutes. Now I will fry dry fruits. Take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. We'll add chopped almonds. Fry it, and now we will add cashews. Fry it till it become brown. Cashews and almonds are fried properly. Now we'll add raisins. Off the flame. Stir it once. Now it is boiling. Add 2 cups of milk. Stir it. Boil it for 2 minutes. Add pinch of salt. Now we will add fried dry fruits to it. Add cardamom powder. Mix well. Off the flame. Now healthy carrot kheer is ready to serve. Bye bye.